Harper, can you get the ball? Hollister, can somebody get the ball and give it to Stella? Where's the ball? Oh, Stella got it. No, she didn't. Where is it, Hollister? It's under there. Very good. Can you give it to Stella? Give it to Stella. Good job, Harper. Be careful with that, okay? Yeah, you just pull it. Good job. Good job. Did you find your bottle? Stella, give me your ball. Oh, you're such a silly monkey. You're gonna make everybody seasick watching this video, Hollister. No, no. No, don't touch. Don't touch. I know you want the video camera. I know, but we're trying to watch Stella and Harper.